How are you going to operate the rice milling machine? 1. Ensure the machine is properly set up and connected to a power source. 2. Pour the raw rice grains into the hopper of the machine. 3. Adjust the settings or controls on the machine to achieve the desired milling and allow. 4. Monitor the operation of the machine to ensure it is running smoothly and efficiently. 5. Collect the milled rice at good working condition. What are the minimum requirements to be met before usage? 1. Power supply. Ensure that the machine is connected to a reliable power source that meets the voltage and wattage requirements specified by the manufacturer. 2. Safety precautions. Familiarize yourself with the safety features and precautions outlined in the manufacturer's instructions. This may include orpharon particles. Regularly inspect and clean the machine to prevent any blockages or, according to the manufacturer's instructions, this includes securing it on a stable surface or mounting it securely.